Wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Excellency Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab, BAMAG, as Director of Zainul Hasan Genggong University, respectable Dr. Zainuddin MPD, as the Head of Study Program, respectable Dr. Wahyu Lestari MPD, as the Dean of the Faculty, respectable Dr. Muhammad Hifdil Islam MPD, and Miss Nina Agus Haryati MH as my supervisor, and unforgettable all my friend and family as my motivator. Here I want to tell about my thesis. The title is Exploring the Effectiveness of Gamification Enhancing English Vocabulary Acquisition at SMAU Miftahul Ulum. Background of the study. Language is an important part of people's life as it helps people communicate with each other. Learning a language is important because language is considered a window to the world that can connect tradition, culture, and other countries. English has become an international language as many people use it around the world. If you want to know about the English lesson, you have to learn about the vocabulary. Vocabulary mastery is a crucial component in English language learning, as it serves as the foundation for all language skill, including reading, writing, listening, and speaking. According to Hassan and Hassab, traditional learning methods such as memorization, using textbook, or direct teaching are often considered boring and do not attract students in the long run. As a result, students are not interested in expanding their vocabulary independently. Many teachers use methods to make the student understand. One method that can help with this gamification. Gamification is game-based learning method that applies game design element into non-game context to acquire knowledge and skills. Gamification in education is the application of game element in learning design involving various contexts and subject area. And here, focus of the study. In the study, researchers focus on improving student mastery of English vocabulary. What should teachers do to improve student mastery of English vocabulary? To overcome this problem, the research tries to provide solution by applying curtain strategy so that students can easily understand English vocabulary. Next, statement of the problem: how the use of gamification method improves school student English vocabulary in Miftahul Ulum. And the second, how the impact is gamification in improving the ability to remember English vocabulary compared to traditional learning method. Objective of the study: explain how the gamification method helps create students of SMA Miftahul Ulum better understand English vocabulary. To identify which type of gamification is most effective for improving English vocabulary comprehension. And then the significance of the study. There are three significance of the study. The first is development of gamification theory in language learning. And the second is contribution to cognitive learning theory. And the third is learning model improvement. And next, review of literature. Here I want to explain behaviorism theory. Behaviorism views learning as a result of response to external stimuli. In this context, gamification provides positive reinforcement through rewards such as point, badges, and levels that encourage desirable learning behaviors, such as memorizing or applying new vocabulary. This theory helps explain how consistent reward system in gamified learning can motivate students to continue learn and reinforce positive behavior relate to vocabulary mastery. And the second is constructivism theory. This theory emphasizes the learners build knowledge through active experience. In the study, gamification is used to design activities such as challenge and questions that encourage students to discover and use vocabulary in context. And the third is self-determination theory. Self-determination theory, or SDT, states that effective motivation comes from autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Gamified learning environments provide choice, feedback, and social interaction through elements such as leaderboards, level, and rewards. And the last is research method. Research design. This case study is qualitative study chose to thoroughly understand how the implementation of gamification in English language learning can affect student vocabulary acquisition. And the presence of research. The research was present in person at SMAU Miftahul Ulum. Next source of that, there are two main data and secondary data source. And then data collection, there are three. First is classroom observation, semi-structure, interview, and document analysis. And then data analysis, data reduction, display data. Maybe that's all for me. If I have many mistakes, please forgive me. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.